Hi everyone. How many of you are in dilemma how to start investing? You want to invest but you do not know where to invest. Yes. So like many of us, and at a point of time, even in my life, I was wondering where to invest and how to start investing. This is a very common question. This is a very genuine question. So today I'm going to reply to this question in the most honest way I can, to the best of my ability or to the best of my understanding. So it depends on that what age criteria we are into, what's our risk capacity, what's our earning is, what are our future goals, and what is the current inflation. Because in certain inflation kind of, we see that real estate gives better return, in certain kind of mutual funds give better return, at many point of time you see gold giving better returns. So it depends on that what is the market kind, then it depends on what are the external circumstances, what are economic circumstances. But see, the general rule is that at least we need to invest 20% of our income. Even if we cannot, and many of us who are just starting, we may just start with 10%, but general rule is that all of us should invest at least 20% of our income. It doesn't matter what income we do have. So, and then there are, at a particular point of time, see, we are in a different age group also. What happens that, for example, in senior citizens case, they get a very different interest rate in bank accounts. They also get very different interest rate in post office bank accounts. So it depends on in which age category we are. It depends on which asset class shoots us in a better way. It depends on that what are our goals in terms of there are many investments which can be liquidated very quickly, but there are certain assets where if we allocate money, it will be a little tougher to liquidate them quickly. So it also depends on our liquidity requirement. So for example, if you are investing in real estate and if you want to get it liquidated tomorrow, that might not happen. But on the other hand, if you have invested in a stock, or maybe you have invested in a gold, these days we do have gold coin as well. So if you have invested in electronic gold, so they may be liquidated in a quicker way. So overall, if you see the right time and the right way to start investing is perfectly depends on our own requirement, perfectly depends on where we are. But considering of certain factors like the age group, for example, if we are younger in age, we can have more riskier investments. Considering that riskier investments gives more return. And come on, we are not going to recommend any stock and all. So do not ask for any stock and all. But generally what happens, at times riskier investments give better returns in comparison to other instruments over a long period of time. For example, many of us invest in share markets, equity investment. It is relatively a riskier investment in comparison to debt investments. So, but it gives more returns overall. If you see in market over the last 5 years, 10 years down the line, you will see that the return of equity investment is much higher than any of the conservative mode of investment. So overall, if you will see, it depends on the age group you are, the target you have, the patience you can have, the time which you require to have that fund as a liquid in your hand. So I'm sure that this has helped you to understand when to start investing, and I look forward to seeing you in another video. Keep following FinnoMastery, and FinnoMastery is committed for your financial abundance, and I look forward to meet you once again. Thank you and have a fantastic time ahead.